this is my assignment on module 5, assignment 2, and here I have selected this basic mechanical engineering course, which I have earlier considered for my assignment 1, and the questions were already framed here, and I have included the course outcome for each of this question, and I have also indicated Bloom's level. So the first question, it was a scenario was given, and the students were asked to select a suitable process to fulfill the requirement of the given scenario. So since it was involving a new scenario, the student has to apply what they have learned already, what they have understood. With hence I have considered this to be in apply level. And the second question was again a problem was given, and based on the various formulas they might have studied, this problem has to be worked out. So I have given this mark this under apply category, Bloom's level. And this question is about explaining. So if the student remembers the concepts, and if they are able to explain the working of a petrol engine with a neat sketch and with its related PV diagram, then we could categorize this under understand category, since this does not involve any new scenario being involved here. And the last question is again a numerical problem. This will be slightly different from what's being taught in the class. So I would classify this as apply category. So this is the course outcome which I have framed. Selection of suitable machining process for the first question. So thereby it comes under apply category. And the second CO and the fourth CO will be coming under calculation part. So they both again come under apply category. And this third CO is we will be limiting it to describing the process or explaining the working. So we will mark it under understand category. So this is the rubrics which I have prepared, and here the challenges is that when it is very we feel less strainful when we are awarding full marks as well as 0 marks. But real challenge is when we award the marks which is neither good nor bad, and in that scenario this was pretty challenging. So I try to trade off this between a balance between this end and this end. So this one I may consider this as a good marks, and this one is a poor marks. So here I have tried to balance it as a bridge between these two. So here everything will be correct, and here everything is wrong, or it is not up to the mark, the expected level. So here it is partially correct. In that scenario we can award somewhere between 2 or 1 mark. And if the explanation is incomplete, or the sketches are incomplete, they have attempted a sketch but it is not clear, and they have not marked all the parts. In that cases I will be awarding this 2 to 1 mark. And obviously 0 marks will be awarded when there is no progress. So in this manner I have prepared the rubrics for all the questions. And when the problem based questions are concerned, I have given some emphasis on the use of proper use of SI units. This is very important, and as a mechanical engineers we used to emphasize on the use of proper use of SI units. Some students, when they are working it out, they just write the numbers and they just skip the unit. So to emphasize that, we will also have to recognize it once they are using it correctly or not. So, and here there were 3 different categories of problems asked. So under each category will be given the marks. So even if the student does not come up with the correct mark, we need not penalize them very strongly. So if they have adopted a methodology is correct, but they have made some minor mistakes when they are working it on the calculator, under that cases we can award them marks, either 2 mark or 1 mark for each parameter. But if the method is also wrong and the final value is also obviously wrong, then we must not encourage such kind of practice, and we have to definitely award 0 marks. And the same criteria I have followed this for the 4th question, since 4th question is also a similar one with deals with a problem. So I consider it the same, that is similar of a SI unit also. And coming to this third question, which is of understand Bloom's level, here I have subdivided this into three categories. One is for the explanation, one is for the sketch, and another is of the PV diagram. So again here we face a clear demarcation when we deal about the students who have written everything clearly, and on the other hand the students who have not written anything, we can clearly distinguish them. But when it comes to this partially submitted guys, we have to spend a time on reading their answers and proceeding it. So for those students, we will be awarding somewhere between 3 to 1 marks or 2 to 1 marks. So this is my rubrics which I have prepared as a part of this assignment. Thank you.